Sabrina Carpenter stopped her show to talk to a girl in the crowd. She asked her name, smiled when she said Gigi, and then out of nowhere handed her a handcuff as the whole arena screamed.
Excuse me, what's your name? Gigi? Gigi. What, does that stand for gorgeous girl? Like, oh my god. Gigi, wow, where are you from? You're from Bucks County? I'm kind of from there too, that's so crazy. Wow, maybe we are soulmates. Gigi, I'm getting so hot and flustered. I feel like oh my god, shit! That always happens when I get excited about love.